Hi, this is just a quick vid to show what happens when I enable effects on the Emu Command Station. Here I have a user patch, but it can be any patch at all. If I go to the MP7 ones and go to maybe a bass, we'll just get a bass sound. There we go. The settings on this preset, the effects are bypassed and output goes to send one to main, and I've done this for a specific reason to bypass the effects properly. Go to global and turn to effects mode bypassed, and I put mix output the moment channel 1. I use preset. There you go, it works fine. Now the only difference, I'll just go to this now, I'll get ready on the volume control, and if I click it onto enabled, so you can see that's the problem. Now disabling it doesn't stop it, and it does that either through the headphones, the main out, or the sub outs. Does exactly the same thing. As soon as you enable effects in global settings or use them on a voice, that's the kind of noise you get. And the only way I've found to reset that is if I switch it off, switch back on again. Obviously we'll have to allow it to boot up. Nearly there. Version 2 of the BIOS firmware software, whatever. Here we are. Okay, so at the moment, turn the volume up. Nothing, that's fine. Go to preset. Sorry, presets. I was going to edit it. Bass preset. Sorry. Oh. My apologies, that's because that's what it's set like. Let's go to a standard. Because I usually start with my own stuff, alter stuff, it sounds different. I don't use the effects normally. There we go, same patch. Still works fine. Go into global. Effects bypassed. So it's working. As soon as I change that to enable and try and play, so that's the problem, and I'm trying to work through a solution. If you know anything, if you've got any ideas why this is the case, then I'd appreciate you letting me know. Thank you.